Tonight I made some blackened Cajun stuffed salmon. This joint was the truth. Let me show you guys how to make it. First things first, I decided to siphon down some spinach. Ain't nobody got time for all them big leaves. I got that into a non-stick skillet and sauteed that with some diced onions till it looked like this. Next, in a medium-sized bowl, I added some softened cream cheese, that spinach and onion, some mozzarella cheese, parmesan, some all-purpose seasoning, and a little bit of chili flake. Once that was all mixed up, we had to taste it for good measure. I could probably eat this as a dip by itself. So next we prepared the salmon. Here was some avocado oil, plenty of seasoning. Then I took that salmon and sliced it in the middle, make sure not to cut all the way through. It should look like this. Stuffed it with that cream cheese and spinach mixture. Now it's ready to go into a well-oiled hot skillet. Cook that on both sides for about 4 to 5 minutes. Flip it over, add some butter, and then baste it down. And that's it. It's a wrap. Let's go.